Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Chimma here again. If you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Chimma. I'm a YouTuber based in South Africa. If you haven't seen my previous video, this is your first time of seeing this face. My previous video was a vlog where I visited the Mall of the North and it was just so fun. So after watching this video, do me well to watch my other videos, okay? I have a lot of videos that you will find interesting. And before we go on with today's video, I just want to tell you what my channel is all about. I put out beauty related videos, I put out vlogs, especially vlogs showing you the rural areas of South Africa. Yeah, and also I do a little bit of lifestyle. I put out nail tutorials as well. Just everything I put out on this channel is what's gonna resonate with you guys. So today I decided to review a very you can get it from Havillah Beauty Nigeria. And if you're in South Africa, hit me up, okay? If you're anywhere around Limpopo, hit me up. I'm going to make sure this foundation gets to you. Yes, and it retails for 380 rand. If you're in South Africa, this foundation retails for 380 rand, and it's going to last for a long time. Trust me. It comes with a free setting powder, as you already saw on the video. Okay, yeah, that's basically what I came here to do. And as you can see, I'm feeling myself. This makeup is not gonna waste. It's not gonna waste because I'm going out. Okay, they must see me looking all bland. Yeah, and if you really like how I'm looking right now, do not hesitate to tell me in the comment section down below. Okay, and if you love what you see already on this channel and you've watched up to this point, I'm so grateful. Thank you very, very much for sticking by my channel up to this point. I'm so grateful. Do me well to subscribe if you haven't. We are almost hitting 1,000 subscribers and I'm so happy. And I'll see you very, very soon in my next video. Okay, stay blessed and stay fabulous.